Hello and welcome to a LinMot tutorial on maintenance and lubrication. We will begin by first selecting the E catalog.
Next, we navigate the web page to find the motor we are using and the corresponding installation guide. Today's video shows a PS01-37x240F-C. After selecting the motor with the matching part number, we can find the installation guide PDF file in the list of documents partway down the page. Some motors require different grease used to lubricate the slider in order to perform at peak efficiency. Today we're covering most LinMot motors that use LuO2. To find maintenance and lubrication instructions, begin by selecting the Linear Motors Accessories tab, then cursoring to the cleaning section. Here, we can find LinMot's cleaning and lubricating products, starting with the LuO2 lubricating grease found in 50 milliliter and 1000 milliliter sizes, along with the LuO7 food grease and LuO6 cleaning spray. Selecting the LuO2 1000, navigate to the instruction manual PDF. Upon opening the PDF, the first page will show mounting, inspection, and cleaning instructions. Sliders with length 500 millimeters or below should be inserted into the stator in clean condition. Sliders with length greater than 500 millimeters should first be lubricated with LuO2, about 4 grams or half a hazelnut per meter of slider, enough to create a thin film of lubricant on the surface of the slider. If the stator is equipped with a wiper, the inner side of the seals must be lubricated as well. On the second page of the PDF, ordering information is included for the lubricant and cleaning spray.
Be sure to keep the slider on a wood or concrete table and away from anything metal.
Here's a video demonstration showing how to properly clean and lubricate a slider. Make sure to shake the LuO6 cleaning spray before use. Coat the slider in spray and wipe with a clean paper towel. Make sure to wipe the slider with a clean paper towel after finishing.
Maintenance should occur before the unit runs dry. Maintenance is required every 3 months if run for 5 days a week, 8 hours a day. This is a basic guideline that should be used to help set a maintenance schedule. Varying conditions provide more or less frequent routines to keep modules running at peak efficiency.
Cleaning the stator begins with spraying a paper towel with the LuO6 cleaning spray. Then using the slider, push the paper towel through the stator. This can be done several times, but be sure to use a new paper towel each time to ensure cleanliness.
After wiping, we can see the paper towel has minimal dirt, meaning that we are ready to lubricate the slider using the LuO2 grease. We put 2 half hazelnut sized drops onto the slider, wiping in with either your hand or a new paper towel. Make sure the slider has a thin film of lubrication and that the coat isn't too thick. If the slider still does not run smooth in the stator, check if the slider could be bent by rolling it on the table. The slider should roll smoothly and consistently if straight. Be sure to keep the slider away from all other metal objects, as they are extremely magnetic and can cause injury or harm to yourself or others. More information regarding safety can be found in the data sheets on our website.
The final product should be a well-lubricated and clean slider-stator combo that runs together smoothly. Thank you for watching our video on maintenance and lubrication.